Hi guys, so Autodesk have just released the Advanced Steel extension for Revit, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download it and install it on your Revit so you can get the interoperability between Revit and Advanced Steel. It will come through your Autodesk account. I'm working on my own personal Autodesk account. I can go in and this will list all the assets. I expand Revit and then I go to updates and add-ons, and you will see released the 30th of April. I actually only think it really only dropped for release last night because I did check. I have been checking each day, but here it is, the Advanced Steel extension for Revit 2019. Just click browser download, start the download. I'm going to save mine into my downloads folder and it will go off, and really quickly it is downloaded. I can then just click the install, click run, and I'm just going to quickly pop in my user name and password, and that will give the access. So it should be a relatively quick install. We have a little time remaining, 1 second. It'll be a long 1 second. And that is that installed. We should then be able to start the software. So if we just find it in our program files, let's go to Revit 19 and we launch. And let's launch a last project. And we click the add-ins ribbon, and all going well, we now have the Advanced Steel extension. So it really is as simple as that. Find it through your Autodesk account, click the download, run the install, then launch the software. You can see that the Advanced Steel extension 2019, build date 19th of April 2018.